and today is going to be, of course, another hair video. This hair was sent to me by Asteria Hair. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. And they sent me their lovely 24 inches body wave hair. All details on this unit will be left in the description bar, so feel free to check that out. But guys, when I tell you that this lace melted so well, oh my goodness, it looks like scalp. I don't even know, but this is the best lace I've probably ever received, hands down. Like, y'all, it looks like it's growing straight out of my scalp. And this hair is just so soft, like it's so flowy, and it's really longer than what I would say a 24-inch wig would be. Like, this comes all the way down to my butt, but I am 5'1", so 24 inches could sometimes look like a good 30 on short girls. So when I say you're getting your money's worth for this, you definitely are getting your money's worth. And I'm not saying that just because it's sponsored, y'all. I'm being so serious. This hair is so soft. Like, you can see the material. Super flowy, so soft. The lace melted like butter. Like, this hands down was a top tier wig. I really, really love this unit. But I'm going to be showing you guys how I install this unit start to finish. I didn't show you guys how I did my bald cap. I have plenty of bald cap videos, so you guys can just reference my older videos. But I'm going to be showing you guys how I did these fleeky baby hairs. These are just so cute. Yes, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you'll be notified every time your girl drops a new upload. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay guys, so first things first, I did prep this unit off camera and I did use my mannequin head. I find that using a mannequin head to prep your wigs before applying it on your head makes it just so much more easier. And as you can see, I got that part extra crisp, okay? So I like to do that and then of course cut off the ear tabs to start, and I just cut around the perimeter of my ears following like an upside down L shape. And then I like to measure out where I'm gonna lay that lace. So I usually put the glue right before the bald cap, and I do about 4 layers of this and wait for each layer to get crystal clear. You can use a blow dryer, it's all by preference. On that last layer of glue, you want to make sure that you're not letting it get completely dry. You actually want it to be a little bit tacky. It should still be clear, but the moment it turns clear, press that lace down. Lay that lace down, okay? Do not wait, press it down. And I like to use a rat tail comb and not my fingers. Use a rat tail comb to place it down. Do not use your fingers and push into the glue because the oil from your fingers might create white residue. And then of course you want to blow dry and just seal everything in, and then use that elastic band combo to just melt in that lace flawlessly. And while we're letting our lace melt, I like to go in with some mousse and a hot comb and just press it out. It just makes it really sleek. Okay, so now it's time to cut that lace. So to cut the lace, I was going back and forth between using a razor and my shears. It really doesn't matter which one you use. What you really want to focus on is making sure that you're cutting in a jagged motion. The moment you start cutting in a straight line, that creates that boxed effect, and you don't really want it to be boxed. You kind of want it to have that natural, seamless, scalp-like finish. So make sure that you're cutting in a jagged motion. A razor does help with cutting in a jagged motion as opposed to shears, because it's more so, dependent upon the motion of your hands, where shears are more straight. But it really doesn't matter. Just make sure that you're moving your hands a lot while cutting it. And as you guys can see, it came out beautiful. Like, it's giving scalp. I already knew that this was going to be flawless. So to get the dramatic baby hair effect, I like to bring some of the hair from the middle onto my forehead. So it should be hair on the forehead from the middle section. And then, of course, you're going to do the one on the sideburns. I couldn't decide whether or not I wanted to do 2 or 3, but I ended up doing 3. But before doing the baby hairs, you want to make sure that you're pressing it out with a hot comb and just making that part extra crisp. And then I like to go ahead and cut in an angular motion from long to short. So the part that's closest to the hairline is the longest, and the part that's closest to the farthest away from the hairline is the shortest. And then getting one of these
1-inch barrels, well actually a 1/2 inch barrels to curl your baby hairs is a game changer. It literally swoops effortlessly. I don't know why I can't talk, but yeah, it swoops effortlessly. So definitely get you one. And then you pretty much, I'm using my Eco Style, the gray one. It's like a super hold to lay down the baby hairs. And I'm just using the edge of a edge brush. So this makes it just so much more easier. I definitely advise you doing your baby hairs as opposed to like a brush, like a little baby edge brush. Just use the comb part because it helps divide the hair so it's not so close together. And I also wanted to mention that I am swooping the hair on the top back into the rest of the hair. I didn't want to have any part or space between the baby hair at the top and the rest of the hair, and I am getting a little bit of product on the hair. Now to create that bottom, I pretty much just use a C motion to swoop the baby hairs. So with the middle part, you want to make it really, really short, and because it is in the middle, it doesn't have a lot of space. You're just using your fingers to kind of just help you mold it and just create that swooping C motion with your fingers in the comb. So you're just using, like, you're just repetitively doing C motions. And for the sideburn, I use my fingers to create the circle. I kind of just twist my fingers on the hair to create that swoop. And then, of course, I didn't put any baby hair on the other side, by preference, of course. And then you're going to seal all that in with your blow dryer. This is going to make them more stuck to the head. I'm not really a fan of fluffy baby hairs. Then I added the Chi Shine hairspray. This is just going to add that luster to the hair, and it also smells really, really good. And that's pretty much it for the baby hairs. Like, they just came out so good. Like, let me give you guys a close up, okay? Like, so we're gonna go ahead and tie them down and straighten our hair. I did straighten it off camera, like I said, on the mannequin head, but I'm gonna go ahead and like really bone straight it. Water break. I'm gonna go ahead and just bone straight it right now with my rat tail comb and just take it, you know, layer by layer, section by section. So you guys can just watch me straighten it, and I'll come back to you guys with the finished results.
Stroke it, baby, stroke it.